Hello, still recovering from my Achilles surgery, but now I'm in a boot and I can walk, which means it was worthwhile to get out of the house today. And I can't drive because it's on my right foot, but my wife took me thrifting, which is fun. So here's a little bit of an unboxing. Didn't buy too many things, but I always like to share. So first place we went to was a Goodwill, and they had one of these stainless steel baskets that I love for doing the plunging method to quench glass and turn it into frit. I've got a growing collection of these. The more of these I have, you know, the more glass I can do all in one cycle. So it was quick to jump on that. It was only $3.99, so good price on that. We also, let's see what else I got. I've already forgotten. Oh yeah, this is a set of cheese knives that was only $1.99. So for $2 for what looks like stainless steel, there's 3 of them. I could break this set up and use this for adding a little embellishment to a cheese platter that I make. I've got a couple of these that I picked up, brand new, clearly still wrapped up. There was this framed X for $4.99, but the orange was half price, so it was $2.50, which this was $5 to begin with. But if you look, these tabs open right up, and this little metal X will pop out. And then I thought that would be cool, maybe like for an underwater scene, make it kind of look like a porthole. As you know, I also do bluebonnet work, so I could do a round bluebonnet piece to stick in there. So I just thought that was cool. For $2.50 to have a unique frame, I'm all about that. And then finally, at the next store we went to, oh, shaking the camera, sorry about that. The next store we went to, I found this for $3. I just like finding unique frames for glass. This one happens to be a bookend, and so $3. I mean, it's a small piece. It's only what, 3 by 3, but you can do a little miniature floral scene or something in there, and would be kind of cool. It looks like it's just got easy tabs to open up, pop in your piece of glass. So pleased with that for $3. I think that's a unique find. And there you go. That's it. Not much, but boy, it felt good to get out there. I haven't done thrifting in like 2 months, so it felt great to get out there. Appreciate my wife taking me out. Hope you guys are having a good time this summer. Catch you later. Bye-bye.